Have you ever pondered the effect of over-tourism on popular destinations? This is a question that's increasingly relevant in our interconnected world. Welcome to today's intriguing topic, over-tourism, a term coined to describe the strain that excessive numbers of tourists put on destinations is fast becoming a global issue. It's a challenge that's been thrown into sharp relief recently in Japan. This Asian nation, known for its meticulous balance of tradition and modernity, has been grappling with an unprecedented influx of tourists. In Fuji Kawaguchiko Town, a popular destination for its stunning view of Mount Fuji, the situation has reached a tipping point. The local authorities have decided to install a 2.5-meter high mesh net to block the view of Mount Fuji from a popular photo spot. This decision has been sparked by disrespectful behavior and overcrowding by foreign tourists. In March alone, the number of visitors exceeded 3 million, a record for the area. This measure isn't just about preserving the peace and tranquility of Fuji Kawaguchiko Town. It's also about protecting local businesses and maintaining order in the area. Over-tourism can have a negative impact on the quality of life for residents and can even cause damage to infrastructure and the environment. But Japan isn't alone in this struggle. All across the globe, popular tourist destinations are grappling with similar challenges. Crowd control measures and entry fees are becoming more common as a way to manage the flow of tourists and minimize the impact on local communities. In summary, over-tourism is a growing issue that's affecting popular tourist destinations worldwide. Measures such as the introduction of a mesh net in Fuji Kawaguchiko Town in Japan are being taken to protect local communities and maintain order. This is a complex issue that requires a balanced approach, taking into account the needs of tourists, local communities, and the environment. As we continue to explore our world, it's important to remember the impact our visits can have on these destinations and to travel responsibly. It's not just about taking the perfect photo. It's about respecting the places we visit and the people who live there. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, take care and travel responsibly.